From $50 to $10,000, the top 4 broker sign-on bonuses right now. Hi everyone, I'm Caitlin. New year, new money goals, right? Today's video is for you if you're thinking of opening a new brokerage account this year and want to grab the best sign-on bonus that's currently out there. And I'll be talking primarily about new brokerage accounts that offer a cash bonus, rather than stock or partial stock bonuses, because really, what's better than real cash in your wallet, right? So here are the top 4 brokerage sign-on bonuses that we've found for you so far. First up is Charles Schwab. You can get up to $1,000 if you have a personal referral from an existing Schwab customer and make a net deposit of $500,000 or more in cash and securities. When you make a net deposit of $100,000 to $499,999, you get a bonus of $500. When you make a net deposit of $50,000 to $99,999, you get a bonus of $300. And when you make a net deposit of $25,000 to $49,999, you get a bonus of $100. This is how most brokerage sign-on bonuses work. The more you deposit into a new account, the greater the bonus. For this Schwab offer though, you do need a referral code from a friend or family member who is a Schwab customer, and to get this referral code, what your friend or family member has to do is go to this page here, which I've linked below, scroll down and click on Login to refer your friends. And if you scroll down further, you'll find some of the most common questions about this Schwab sign-on bonus offer. As you can see here, you must make the qualifying new deposit in a Schwab One account. Schwab Bank Investor checking accounts do not qualify for this promotion. Here you can also see the accounts that are ineligible for this sign-on bonus offer. Also, you have 45 days from the date you become a new client and enroll in the offer to make a qualifying net deposit into your new Schwab account. According to Schwab, all rewards are paid out to qualifying clients about 1 to 2 weeks after the 45-day eligibility period ends, regardless of when you make the deposit, as long as it's in the first 45 days, of course. Here they give you 2 examples of how this payment timeline works, so feel free to pause or go to this page directly for the full terms and conditions. Here is also an overview of Schwab's trading fees and commissions. Basically $0 for listed stocks and ETFs, options, mutual funds, and new issue bonds, which is pretty standard across all the bigger brokerage companies. And there's more detail if you scroll down here as well. So do check out all the links we've shared with you below this video if you are seriously interested in this Schwab sign-on bonus offer and know someone that can send you a referral link. JP Morgan's self-directed investing is the second top brokerage sign-on bonus on our list. You can get up to $700 when you open a brokerage account, traditional IRA or Roth IRA with them by April 15th, 2025. To get the full $700 sign-on bonus though, you do need to transfer or roll over $250,000 or more in new cash and/or securities within the first 45 days of opening your account and signing up for this offer. Assets from JP Morgan Chase & Co. or its affiliates are not eligible. Here are the sign-on bonus tiers that you may be eligible for if you transfer or roll over less than $250,000 in new cash and/or securities. The new money balance must be maintained in the account at least 90 days from enrollment, and you get your cash bonus within 15 days of meeting all the requirements. You must also open the account from this page here, which again, I've linked below this video. And here's a blurb from the page on their commission's free online trades, fractional shares, and thousands of investments to choose from, in case you're interested. E-Trade is the 3rd top brokerage sign-on bonus on our list. You can get a cash credit of up to $10,000 when you open a new eligible brokerage account with them and deposit $5 million or more. $5 million is a lot of money though, so in case you were thinking of depositing less, this table shows you the bonus you get based on your deposit amount here. But E-Trade is also the broker with the lowest required deposit. You can earn a cash bonus from only $1,000. This promotion ends on July 31st, 2025. I talked about this promotion extensively in this recent video, which includes a step-by-step tutorial on how to open an E-Trade account, so do check it out if you want further detail. So Schwab, JP Morgan, self-directed investing, and E-Trade are what we, in my family, refer to as the leading brokerage companies, meaning they're the big names. And they're also some of the places where my parents keep their savings and investments, meaning we actually have some real-life, hands-on experience with each platform and the pros and cons of them. And by the way, if you're interested in a review of any of the 3 brokers we've just discussed, leave a comment below and let us know. The next broker sign-on bonus that I'm going to share with you is with a company that is a bit newer. It's also one that we do not have any first-hand experience with, so if you have used them, pop a comment below and let us know what you think of them. Tasty Trade was founded in 2017 and is more targeted towards active traders. They are currently offering new customers a tiered account opening promotion. New customers who open and fund a Tasty Trade account with $2,000 or more in cash or by an account transfer, ACATS, and enter My New Bonus into their referral code field when initially registering with Tasty Trade will receive a cash bonus. The bonus amount is dependent on the initial funding amount. There is a 12-month withdrawal hold on the initial funding amount to retain the cash bonus. In this column, you have the amount of deposited funds, and in this column, you can find the corresponding cash bonus for these amounts. You must be at least 18 years old and a U.S. resident. Here are all the eligible account types, and here are all the non-eligible account types. This promotion ends on March 31st, 2025. The awarded cash generally gets delivered to an account 1 to 4 business days after the initial deposit settles. Again, you can find the link to this page below this video if you want to explore Tasty Trade further on your own. Please note that while I have included links to all the sign-on bonus offers that we've talked about today below this video, none of these links are affiliate links, meaning that we do not receive any compensation regardless of whether you click on any of these links or not, or whether you choose to open an account with any of these brokers or not. And remember, sign-on bonuses are great, but it shouldn't be the only reason for choosing a brokerage company. One very important thing to consider is fees and commissions. As I mentioned earlier, these days most brokers do not charge commissions on purchases and sales of stocks, bonds, and funds online. But as my parents always say, don't forget to read the fine print. Because there is always an exception to the rule, and if you're not careful, these costs can add up over time and eat into your investment returns. Other factors you may want to consider include the brokerage's user interface, app availability, customer service, research capabilities, and so on. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and if you do end up opening an account with any of the brokers that we talked about today, leave a comment below and let us know how things went. And make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again next time.